Hi everyone, Bob Mehsikomer here, and welcome to my office. A little bigger, Bob. I don't know. Oh yeah, nice fish. Woo-hoo. Nice fish. No, I'll grab her. Nice fish though. Yeah, nice fish.
Wow.
45?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, let's see if I can get her. You want to take a picture of her or not? You want to take a picture?
No, we're good.
You guys gonna have your digital?
No,
okay.
We got just the video camera today.
Good enough. Well, this is a good one. Oh yeah, she's easy 45. Come here, girl. You wanna see her?
That is a beautiful fish.
That's easy 45, Lloyd.
Let's have a look at the tape. Here, Bob.
Oh, 45 and a half.
Nice. Beautiful fish.
Oh.
Very fat.
She's a good solid fish, isn't it?
Healthy.
And she ate that lizard out there, just on the back of you, right where that walleye was, in the same place. Okay. Good job. This is what they're coming up here for, isn't it, Ryan?
Absolutely.
Good solid fish, too. There she goes.
Big, healthy.
Let's get another one. Even though it's cold, folks, you've seen us out here. We had gloves on earlier. We're popping a few fish. I've gone to a jig and lizard combination. Real slow, real subtle presentation. Another angler that would be doing good right now would be the fly fishermen because of their soft, subtle approaches. I see Ryan putting on a tiger tube back there. You going to that Lindy tiger tube?
Something I can bounce along the bottom. I hit that right away too.
Pulled my lizard down. I hope this water will warm up. Get her?
Yep.
Nice pike. Nice pike on that tiger tube. Nice fish.
He's feeling some drag.
You gotta like that. Yo.
Even with the cold weather, eh, Bob?
Yeah. Oh, I got a little breeze there,
Wrapped
chilly.
on me.
Okay.
Wrapped on you?
Yeah, she's wrapped
You wrapped
around
up? Oh, you got control of her. Stay with her.
Dude, guys left in them.
Yeah, you own that fish. Ooh, that's a pretty fish.
Did I net it?
You can pull it in with your hands. We'll try to do that. Maybe bring one this far to the other side of the boat?
No.
Right here?
Bring them in here because we're drifting now.
Okay.
I don't want to drift over it. Is there a trailer hook on here?
Yeah.
He's right over. Ready.
Yeah, that's a nice fish. Good job.
All right.
Good job all around, guys.
Nice. Well
Beautiful
done.
fish, huh?
That's over 40
Let's
for
steer,
sure.
Lloyd. Oh, yes. Careful, careful.
Okay, well, there we go.
You gonna measure it quick? Lloyd, that's a nice fish. That's another one. Oh, here you go. Put her back. Nice fish. That's another one in that, probably what, 44, 45 range?
44, yeah.
44.
Good job. Yes.
Hi, I'm Bill Foner.
And we're Mike and Evan Mehsikomer. And I'm Bob Mehsikomer with Landon. We're Simply Fishing Extreme Marine.
We will do more than simply keep you afloat.
We are performance fishermen selling and servicing.
The fishermen who demand performance. Where are we? Simply Fishing Extreme Marine.
Hey fishermen, come see us at Simply Fishing Extreme Marine. Perfect.
Introducing the Hit Squad from 18 Tackle, featuring a full line of revolutionary new blade baits. The Aggressor X with its incredible vortex, Avenger X featuring .061 wire and dual vortex blades, and the all-new revolutionary Assassin X. Hit 'em where it hurts with blade baits from 18 Tackle, a revolutionary new concept in spinnerbaits and bucktails. Visit us at www.18tackle.com today and see the entire line. Order yours today and join the A-Team. Simply call 1-800-222-8775.
Bob Mehsikomer here for Klein Nissan. Whether you're headed to the backcountry in search of your favorite fishing hole or cruising down the back roads taking in the scenery along the way, you can always depend on your Klein Nissan. Elegance and dependability don't stop because the blacktop does. Take your pride and joy to the water in a Klein Nissan. Give them a call at 651-379-4300 or visit them at kleinnissan.com.
Eat it. Come on, eat it. Eat it.
Yeah! Whoa! I can't swim! Be careful what you ask for. Pose, the original giant jackpot.
You like that 56-degree water, don't you? Lloyd.
Yeah, just right.
Just right. They're not stressed and they're feeding. Oh, I lost him.
I'll get him for you, Bob.
Well, little one, one came back. I don't know if it's the same fish or not. But I lost him for a second there. Oh, yes.
Nice one, Bob.
Oh, yes.
Oh, I have one following too. That was his? Want me?
No, I'll grab her, but it is a 4-0 fish.
Nice fish. Nice and thick.
Very nice.
Come here, girl. Come here, baby. Over here. She ain't gonna like this. Oh, yes. That's 42, maybe 42, 43. You wanna see her?
I sure do. Wow.
You wanna take a picture of this one for
Yeah,
me?
absolutely, Bob.
Thank you. Just pop off a good shot.
That is gorgeous.
I'll get her back.
Yeah, get her in the water there.
Very nice. I guarantee you, guests at that lodge doing this are having a ball.
They come back, and so, you know, there's so many lakes out there. but our fishing is, I think, unparalleled in a lot of cases.
Yeah. Folks, this is what these fish are in right now. I'll pick this cabbage up here and show you. This is what these fish are in. Now, this is early emergent cabbage. This is green this year. It's not last year's cabbage. You can see how green it is. It'll leaf like this in the water. So what happens is not only is it fortifying the area with oxygen, it also gives cover to the forage and to the predator alike. You find this kind of cabbage like Lloyd's found for us right now, and this is what you're going to get. See the early plant life here? These are more plants that are coming off of it. That's why we know it's early growing. Awesome.
There we go.
She ate you, huh?
That's a nice one. It's over, gotta be high 30s, I would think. 40? Nice big one.
Good one?
Oh yes. Under the boat. Here she comes. That's a beautiful fish. She's not ready. It's just another run. And I got this jag set pretty high.
You gotta love that. That's what it's all about at North Star right there. Big pike. Lots of big pike. You know, it's been a long time since I've been up here, but I brought my son up here when he was really young, and you wouldn't believe the fish he and I caught.
Oh boy, that is heavy.
Beautiful, beautiful fish, isn't it?
Oh, it's absolutely gorgeous. Oh.
Man, look at the colors on that fish. That is so beautiful. Look at the colors.
Green, so beautifully green.
Beautiful fish. But it's yours, not mine.
Well, that's how it should be.
Oh yeah.
There we go. There we go. There she goes.
There, on your left, you can almost see it. One of the most magnificent sights on the planet, Lake Athabasca nestled just below the 60th parallel. Lake Athabasca hasn't changed in nearly 1,000 years with its pristine shorelines, pure crystal clear water you can actually drink, and countless fish. Boy, has she got fish that is for everyone willing to travel to Otherside River Lodge. From the magnificent world-class northern pike that prowl these waters to the oldest and biggest lakers on the globe, Athabasca has it all. Otherside River Lodge caters to the true sportsman seeking an all-American plan guided package with 3 incredible meals a day and memories you won't find anywhere else. Records have been broken by guests at Otherside River Lodge in the past. You could be next. Book your dream trip of a lifetime to Otherside River Lodge, where fishing dreams do come true. Call Cliff or Stella toll-free at 1-877-922-0957.
Well, you know, Bob, you can't always select the fish you want to catch.
That may be true, Jody, but you can select the lake in which you fish them.
Yes, you can.
Got that one.
All right. I think that's early.
Got that one.
All right. Bob Mehsikomer here for Klein Nissan. Whether you're headed to the backcountry in search of your favorite fishing hole or cruising down the back roads taking in the scenery along the way, you can always depend on your Klein Nissan. Elegance and dependability don't stop because the blacktop does. Take your pride and joy to the water in a Klein Nissan. Give them a call at 651-379-4300 or visit them at kleinnissan.com. We must first note that we have modified the hooks for this trip, reducing them to 1 treble. The action on the Phantom Softail is very rhythmic and predictable, making it very easy to use. The Phantom Softail is only one in a line of many lures being offered by the folks at Phantom Lures. Check them out at www.phantomlures.com.
Wind's dying down again. Yeah.
What happened?
He's better.
Good one?
Heavy. What's that? I hope so.
Boy, there's a whole bunch of wheat bed in there. Look how much he tore off. See? Including there. Boy, yeah.
This is a nice fish.
Good deal. Stay with her.
Yeah. He's thrilled that.
What's that?
Pulling some veg in with it.
Keep her up, eh?
He's wrapped in the weeds. Boy, yeah.
There he is.
Slide her this way. I'm already down here.
He's not done yet. He's 40.
You want to take her back there then?
Yeah, I'll take her.
Okay.
You go for the flash, right? It's long and slim. Yeah. No problem.
Okay, I got her. I got her. Take the,
Spreader?
I'm just gonna get, yeah, I don't need the spreader, I don't think. I just need the pliers.
Wow, look at that head on him.
Look at that. Another 40 plus incher. Gorgeous fish. There you go, girl. Woohoo! Oh yeah. She's out there.
Another phantom fish.
How'd she look, Lloyd? It's hard to tell when they're out that far when you're bringing them into the weeds.
Yeah, they get their head down in that weeds really fast.
Winching them in. There we go. It's a nice fish. High 30s.
Yeah.
Oh. I'm tired now.
I don't think you can make a cast without getting bit.
That's a silver there, Bob.
Is it?
It's a big one.
Yeah, it's pretty too. I wish I knew more about them. I've caught silvers before, and I know they have unique
Barely got him hooked.
existence, but
He doesn't shake it. Oh, look at that.
cutting up on you, huh?
Yeah. There he is.
Oh, come here, girl. Yeah, I did. Seen it roll.
Just gone. Does not want to give up. Yeah, it's amazing that the fight in these fish.
That's one of the reasons you really, when you're
We're
hunting.
using real heavy tackle.
Well, that's why you do it. When you're hunting big pike, you don't want to be in here with light spinning rods and bass type bait casters because it just isn't good for the fish. You may whoop up on a, you know, 8-10 pounder pretty quick, but you get on the one that wants to fight, and it's better off for the fish.
You're just prepared for it.
With the right equipment, yeah. As you can see, you got your.
There we go. That's
Good
a nice
job.
fish.
That's another pair of them, huh? Absolutely. You are slimed up.
Beautiful.
Look at the slime on you.
I know. So catch all those fish, Bob. You mustn't have caught very many because you're not nearly as dirty as I am.
Oh, I see. That's the measure, huh?
Well, I'm going to judge it by that.
How's she looking?
She'll be okay. And she's gone.
Gone, huh?
Wow. I am dirty. A good dirty.
Oh, look at that. Oh, big fish.
Big fish. This side over here?
That is a 50 fish. Folks, you're seeing it right now. My 100 just came in the net at Witch Bay Camp. Holy smokes, Rocky. She ate that thing.
Introducing the Hit Squad from 18 Tackle, featuring a full line of revolutionary new blade baits. The Aggressor X with its incredible vortex, Avenger X featuring .061 wire and dual vortex blades, and the all-new revolutionary Assassin X. Hit 'em where it hurts with blade baits from 18 Tackle, a revolutionary new concept in spinnerbaits and bucktails. Visit us at www.18tackle.com today and see the entire line. Order yours today and join the A-Team. Simply call 1-800-222-8775.
Bring her back. Oh, hold tight, hold tight. Hi everyone, Bob Mehsikomer here. You know, I've got a place, a very, very special place in my heart. It's Osborne Bay.
Food's been excellent. Randy did a great job guiding service. Randy started taking us out when I was 10, and we've been catching big muskies ever since.
The accommodations here are fantastic.
Check out Century Lodge on Osborne Bay. Come on, bring her back. During cold water periods, pike are very lethargic. They have a great tendency to lie in the shallows over bottoms that in sunlight will warm and influence the water temps. Working an iguana lizard and jigzilla jig combination will allow you to present to these monsters one of the most productive presentations there are for pike today. Check them out at www.strikeking.com or the jigzilla at yakimawbait.com.
Yeah, I see.
Yep, right there. See it? Is that a rock? That's a
coming,
fish.
yep.
It's turning on it. No. Yes, yes.
Got him.
Stay with it.
Oh yeah.
That's a hog. That's a hog. That is a pig.
Did he ever hit her hard?
Yeah. That is a pig.
Okay. You got her, partner.
That's a pig, pig, pig.
Here he comes.
That's the first time I've seen Lloyd get excited.
What a beautiful fish.
That is a gorgeous fish.
Oh, I don't got him hooked very well either.
Oh, you got her. Just hang tight.
Oh yeah. No. I won't.
Yes, exactly.
I'm so excited right now. I can feel myself shaking. That's got to be close to a 50-inch fish. Look at the back on her.
That's a
Lloyd, you
pig.
sure put us on these fish.
That's a pig.
I think we might have to measure this one, Bob. What do you think? Lloyd, you ready? I'm going to give you the rod, okay?
I got it tight.
Careful. Careful. She's done nothing yet. She got a lot of power in her. A very big fish. 47 maybe? Yep.
My heart is just racing right now. She's not gonna. Come on, girl.
Look at the head on that thing. Take her easy, T. You got her. You got her.
Oh.
You got her.
She got off the hook and I still got her.
I can't believe you did that.
Wow. That is such a beautiful fish. Lloyd, you got the tape measure for us, my friend?
I can't believe you did that.
Bring it here. Now you just
Right there?
48.5.
Good, now hang on. Hang on, I need to get a picture of her. Just hang on to her. You got a good grip on her.
I'm shaking, I'm so excited. This is an absolutely gorgeous fish. Straight like that.
All I can tell you is that fish came off of that hook. I gasped when it came off. And I thought, man, don't lose it, don't lose it. And you reached your hand down there and grabbed it.
You didn't want to panic? Just kind of hang on.
Okay, hold her up there, big guy.
Okay, I'm ready. You get all of it in there?
Yeah.
The lens big enough?
Yeah, we're good.
How's it look?
Like your fish, not mine.
That's normal. Thanks, Bob.
Good job. Nice job.
Oh, wow.
That is a tank, and that's a lizard fish for you, big guy.
Oh.